In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Outlook emails. Emojis can add a delightful touch to your messages, allowing you to express emotions, ideas, and humor in a fun and visual way. Whether you're trying to convey a light-hearted tone or simply want to make your email more engaging, knowing how to insert emojis appropriately is a handy skill. First, let's begin by opening Outlook. Once you're in, you'll want to compose a new email. You can do this by navigating to the New Email button, typically located in the upper left corner of the Outlook window. Clicking this will open a new message window where you can start drafting your email. It's an intuitive step, but it ensures that your canvas is ready for different types of content, including emojis. Now that you have your new email open, give a thought to the content of your message. Consider where an emoji might fit well, perhaps at the end of a sentence that could use a smiley face or next to a particular point for emphasis. Once you have a good idea of where you would like to insert your emoji, it's time for the next step. In the body of your email, place the cursor where you want the emoji to appear. This could be at the end of your greeting, in the subject line, or even within the main body of your text. Once your cursor is in the right place, it's time to bring up the emoji selection panel. To do this, simply right-click with your mouse. You should see a context menu or a small pop-up menu appear. If you've ever used right-click for copying or pasting text, you'll find this step quite familiar. From this context menu, you will want to look for an option that says Emoji. Clicking on this will open up the emoji panel, displaying a wide array of colorful icons for you to choose from. You'll find a variety of categories, such as smiley faces, animals, food, and more. Feel free to browse through these categories to find the perfect emoji to enhance your message. Once you've found the emoji that suits your message, simply click on it to insert it into your email. You'll see it immediately appear where your cursor was placed, adding that extra bit of flair to your text. If you change your mind or make a mistake, you can always remove the emoji by clicking on it and hitting delete, just as you would with regular text. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a bit of personality to your Outlook emails with emojis. Remember, while emojis can make your email more relatable and fun, it's important to use them sparingly in professional communication to maintain a suitable tone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you bring more expression into your digital correspondence.